How's it going, guys? Jensen Crypto here, and today we're going to be talking about why is it right now the best time to buy Bitcoin. I'm going to be explaining that as in depth as possible. First, I'm going to explain what's happening right here in front of my face with this whole rotating earth right here. Pretty much what it's showing is a live representation of the areas where the transactions have been doing. Now, how do these transactions become part of the blockchain? Well, there is miners in the mining network mining Bitcoin and confirming transactions every few seconds. And that's what we're looking at right here. We're looking at a representation on that. The reason why I have this right in front of you guys is to show you guys the implementation of Bitcoin as of right now. It is obviously a worldwide thing. Now, Bitcoin may not be the best as far as being a currency right now, but guess what, guys? We have something called the Lightning Network, which is recently activated. These are the nodes and the channels that have been already activated into the Lightning Network. It's refreshing right now, and it is worldwide, guys. US to China to around the Ukrainian area to the United Kingdom area, everywhere is linked up together by nodes and channels. If you guys know about the Lightning Network, then you guys know how good this is. That means transactions are going to be way faster and fees of Bitcoin is going to be way smaller as far as the Lightning Network implementation. Around January or so, the beginning of this year, there was only about 200, 300 nodes in the Lightning Network. Well, guess what, guys? In about 2 months or so, it's more than 5 times that amount. We are at 1,447 nodes with 3,376 open channels. That is awesome, guys. I'm pretty sure by the end of 2018, we're going to be seeing some crazy implementation of the Lightning Network. As a matter of fact, this is already pretty good implementations for the Lightning Network. Now, why am I talking about the Lightning Network? Because for Bitcoin to be a great long-term investment, it needs to prove the test of time. It needs to show that it's not just a great investment, but it's also a great currency. And things like the Lightning Network is going to be able to have that implemented as far as Bitcoin. Now, if you guys want, go to jennystocrypto.com, link in the description below. Check out the BTC 2018 price estimate poll that I'm doing right now. Pretty much what you guys do is just click there and you'll be able to estimate what you think is gonna be the 2018 ending price of Bitcoin. I'm gonna be releasing the results of this on my Monday video, the next Monday that comes out. So make sure you guys check that out by subscribing. And if you guys would like to, please like this video if you want to support. Now, join our Discord server. Our Discord server is growing. We have like about 36, 37 people joined right now. Awesome place to just share information and such. It's awesome. Just click right there, join our Discord. My social media is right there. And I have resources right there for you guys to be able to use. Very simple Bitcoin, mining, and altcoin resources. It is great. Now, here is Bitcoin's chart. I'm going to be putting each candle. What a candle is, pretty much this. This is a candle, right? And I can edit the amount of time that it creates to be a candle. So we're going to put 1 day. That means each candle is now 1 day long. This is a 1 day candle, a 1 day candle. The red means the Bitcoin's price is dropping. The green means that the Bitcoin's price is going up. Now, right over here, I am showing that in the beginning of, not in the beginning, but in 2017, very much April 24th, 2017, 04/24, all the way to 2017, 12/15, December the 15th, we had, this was about 8 months of a difference. We had Bitcoin exploding up to 17 times what the price was. So from here to here, Bitcoin went 17 times over its initial pricing, which is amazing. That is crazy, crazy, crazy growth, guys. Like that, 8 months, 17 times. Now, if we go even further out, we're going to be seeing right over here in around 2015, 2014 or so, Bitcoin was actually around $170. Well, it took a long time for Bitcoin to start getting worldwide implementation, and it took a long time for Bitcoin's price to go even above 1,000. As you guys can see right here, starting from 2015 all the way, it did reach 1,000 around like very quickly right over here somewhere. I believe it's actually right over there. But that's not what we're looking at. We're looking at a actual steady over 1,000, permanent 1,000. Look how long it took, guys. It went all the way right over here is when Bitcoin started hitting 1,000 and staying around the 1,000 area. It took about 2 years from 2015 to 2017. But guess what, guys? Bitcoin wasn't made in 2015. Bitcoin was made way back. That means it took a whole bunch of years for Bitcoin to even hit 1,000. What we're seeing right here, guys, this little area right here of burst, just a huge exponential growth burst from all the way to a small 1,000 all the way to 20,000. That was in an 8-month period, guys. We're not really seeing how crazy that really was in 8 months for it to explode to that point. And guess what, guys? Bitcoin is not even worldwide implemented as a currency at all yet. Not much. It's not like everywhere you go, you're going to be seeing Bitcoin accepted. We're not at that level yet, guys. Yet, we were able to see a 17 times boost, a boom, a growth, all the way from 1,000 to 20,000 in an 8-month time period. Now, guys, Bitcoin is at its infancy. Bitcoin has not even been around for 20 years. Not even 20 years. The US dollar, all the other currencies in the world, they've been around for way more than 20 years. Well, guess what, guys? Bitcoin, which is, to me, and I bet to a lot of people that are watching, probably the most revolutionized coin or money that we'll ever be able to use. Obviously, something like this, as transparent as this, as decentralized as this, is obviously the future. Now, guys, Bitcoin blowing up to this point, guess what? Every exponential growth will eventually start going down. Well, we had an exponential growth, and that's what we're experiencing right now. We're going down, down, down. But guess what, guys? This is a great time to buy. An amazing time to buy. Because the last time Bitcoin was at 8,522, I'm not talking about short term. I'm talking about back, right? It was around right over here. Look at this, guys. Right here on November 24, 2017 in the whole exponential ride. Okay, you see this exponential ride? It was in there. And then obviously the exponential ride went all the way to 20K. And then we're going down more and more and more. Well, guess what, guys? Bitcoin is going to be going even higher and higher and higher. If we touch this area right here, let me draw a chart, a little line really quickly. Starting from the exponential growth area right here. And then we take it out all the way to just touching the bottom areas right here. Bottom, 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 bottom. Right over here. As you guys can see, it's touching a lot of the bottom. Then we're going to go up, 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 up. And then we're going to see right over here. Alright, guys. Now, as you can see right over here, Bitcoin is having an exponential growth. From here to here, it's still growing. Just because it did a huge burst up and going down doesn't mean Bitcoin is slowing down and is stopping its growth. As a matter of fact, guys, Bitcoin is still going up. If we ignore this huge exponential growth period, look at this, guys. If we're going through this line that I just finished growing right here, we're still going up. So if we continue going up to this pattern, we are going to be seeing some crazy pricings later on. I'm telling you guys, right now is the best time to buy Bitcoin because we are going to be seeing prices as high as $20,000 to $50,000. If you invest $8,000 now, you'll be getting what? About $14,000 if Bitcoin were to go back to its highest $20,000. Well, guess what, guys? Most people are saying that Bitcoin in the end of 2018 is going to be way higher than that. It's actually going to be going to around $30,000 to $50,000. A lot of people are estimating. So as a long-term investment, remember, guys, Bitcoin is an infant currency and is an infant investment. Investing into Bitcoin right now may be the best thing for your life, guys. I'm telling you right now. If you guys are planning, if you guys have retirement money, if you guys have a savings or anything like that, obviously, guys, you should never put all your eggs in one basket. You should not put all your money into Bitcoin, but put a good amount, guys. Put a good amount of Bitcoin money into Bitcoin because guess what's going to happen to that money? When Bitcoin, as you guys could clearly see, as it's been growing like crazy, Bitcoin will continue growing, and that means your money will grow, and maybe you'll be able to pay off something like that, something beautiful like that, guys. I want to see some miracles that has already happened for a lot of people's lives, but there's definitely a lot of money to be able to be made in Bitcoin, and that's not even including day trading, guys. I might actually be doing a series of day trading just $100 and trading that and making a series, see if I'm making money or if I'm losing money through my own strategies and my own teachings and learnings of day trading. So make sure you guys check that out, that future thing that I'm going to be doing, the future series, by subscribing, guys. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm telling you guys, Bitcoin is going to be going way higher. Invest now, or I'm telling you right now, you're going to regret it. If you don't invest right now, you will most likely regret it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do daily cryptocurrency videos, guys, so make sure you guys subscribe. I have passive income ways that I use myself in the description below, so make sure you guys benefit from that, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Take care.